In 1926, Erwin Schrödinger formulated the Schrödinger equation, a fundamental equation of quantum mechanics. This equation describes the wave-like nature of matter and successfully explains the spectrum of the hydrogen atom. In 1904, August Muster invented slow-motion technology. This technology brought innovations to sports analysis and film production. In 1912, Victor Kaplan invented the Kaplan turbine. This turbine is used worldwide in hydroelectric power plants. In 1903, Karl Auer von Welsbach invented Auer metal. This invention is used today as a main component in lighters. In 1899, Ludwig Lohner and Ferdinand Porsche built the first electric car. This vehicle was presented at the World's Fair in Paris in 1900. In 1927, the world's first indoor ski hall was opened at the Nordwestbahnhof in Vienna. This ski hall featured 2 ski slopes and a luge track. In the early 1930s, Helene Winterstein-Kambersky invented the first waterproof mascara. Her invention brought significant changes to the cosmetics industry. In 1899, Sigmund Freud founded psychoanalysis with his book, The Interpretation of Dreams. His research formed the foundation of modern psychology and psychoanalysis. In 1900, Bosendorfer produced the first concert grand piano with 8 octaves. This piano is still considered one of the best in the world. In 1977, Elizabeth Kollerick invented the first bouncy castle. This invention became very popular with children worldwide. Paul Easler invented the printed circuit board in 1936. Today, the printed circuit board is used in almost all electronic devices. Carl Kordesh invented the alkaline manganese battery. Batteries have become an essential item in every household today. Joseph Madersperger presented the first sewing machine model in 1814. His invention laid the foundation for modern sewing machine technology. In 1951, Carl Djerassi developed the hormonal contraceptive. This invention greatly influenced the lives of many women. Johann Georg Lehner invented the Vienna sausage. Vienna sausages are a beloved food worldwide today.